Finding the right eyeshadow palette can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack, especially when you want vibrant colors that last all day. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Nude Mood Palette. First up is the Nude Mood Eyeshadow Palette by Colourpop. Priced at just $14, this 9-pan collection caught my eye with its warm tone neutrals and a mix of matte and metallic finishes. If you want to achieve that perfect soft glam look, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why the Nude Mood palette is a great choice for you. It features shades that are designed for easy blending and application, thanks to their unique, long-lasting formula. With a combination of softer powders, these shadows adhere well, giving you a soft focus effect that lasts throughout the day. This means you can rock your look from morning coffee to happy hour without worrying about it fading away. Plus, it has over 4,000 units sold just this month, which speaks volumes about its popularity. I'll be real with you though, some users mentioned that they felt the color payoff wasn't as intense as they hoped. Now here's the thing, if you're someone who prefers a bold, dramatic look, this might not be your go-to. But if you enjoy a more subtle, buildable effect, that's actually a benefit. This palette is perfect for you if you love warm neutrals and soft glam looks. Skip this one if you're looking for bold colors right out of the gate. At $14, it's an affordable addition to your makeup collection. Now, if the Nude Mood palette's subtle color payoff concerns you, the next product might just hit the mark for that bold look you crave. Product number 2, Stone Cold Fox Palette. Our second pick is the Stone Cold Fox Eyeshadow Palette, retailing for $35. This 30-pan palette is all about cool tones, featuring ultra-pigmented shades that can take your look from day to night effortlessly. If you're after versatility and a punch of color, this one's for you. What makes the Stone Cold Fox palette stand out is its incredible color payoff. Each shade is crafted to deliver intense color in just one swipe, so you can create stunning, dimensional looks without layering too much product. And with its silky, ultra-velvety pressed powder formula, blending becomes a breeze. It's got over 1,000 sales this month, which shows it's a favorite among makeup lovers. However, some users did point out that the palette can feel a bit overwhelming with so many options, making it hard to decide what to use. But honestly, this is a plus if you love experimenting with new looks. It just means you have endless possibilities. This palette is perfect for makeup enthusiasts who enjoy cool tones and want a wide variety to play with. Skip it if you're not into cooler shades. At $35, you're investing in a high-quality palette that gives you plenty of bang for your buck. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love creating smoky eyes. Product number 3, Blow and Smoke Palette. Next up is the Blow and Smoke Eyeshadow Palette, priced at $14. This palette features a gorgeous array of silvery and gray shades perfect for smoky eye lovers. If you're looking to craft that sultry look with ease, keep watching. The standout feature of the Blow and Smoke palette is its 3 glitzy metallics paired with 6 blendable matte shades. This allows you to effortlessly create striking smoky eyes without the hassle. The long-lasting formula is designed to adhere well, meaning your dazzling look won't vanish halfway through the night. Plus, it's sold over 1,000 times this month, proving it's a popular choice. That said, some users reported that the metallics can be a bit crumbly. Here's the thing though, if you use a damp brush when applying, you can enhance the pigmentation and minimize fallout. Just a little tip that can really make a difference. This palette is perfect for anyone who loves to create smoky looks with a modern twist. Skip it if you prefer brighter colors or everyday neutrals. At $14, it's a steal for those stunning smoky eyes you crave. If the Blow and Smoke palette's metallics excite you, you'll love our next pick, which takes a different approach with a more festive vibe. Product number 4, Feelin' Bubbly Palette. Fourth on our list is the Feelin' Bubbly Eyeshadow Palette, also priced at $14. This palette bursts with sparkling champagnes, golds, and ivories, making it an excellent choice for party looks. If you're all about that celebratory shimmer, this one's calling your name. The Feelin' Bubbly palette is all about versatility. With a mix of creamy mattes and shimmering metallics, you can easily create a variety of looks, from subtle daytime glam to bold evening sparkle. The long-lasting formula ensures your eyes stay vibrant no matter how late the party goes. This palette is also popular, with over 1,000 units sold recently. However, some users found that certain shades require a bit of building up to reach full opacity. But honestly, this means you can customize your look, build it up for a night out, or keep it soft for brunch with friends. This palette is perfect for anyone who loves shimmer and wants to stand out at events. Skip this if you prefer matte looks or minimalist shades. At just $14, you're getting a fun, festive palette that delivers. Now, if the shimmer of the Feelin' Bubbly palette is quite your speed, our last product takes a different approach to simplify your makeup routine. Product number 5, Shadow Sticks. Finally, we have the Shadow Sticks in Plum Tart, priced at $9. These cream eyeshadow sticks are a game changer for anyone looking for quick and easy application. If you want high-impact color without the fuss, this is definitely worth checking out. The shadow sticks glide on smoothly, making them perfect for beginners or those short on time. They're ultra-pigmented and versatile. Use them as a shadow, base, or liner with ease. Plus, it comes with a built-in sharpener, so you can achieve that precise tip whenever you need it. With over 1,000 sold this month, it's clearly a favorite for those who crave convenience. Now, some users have said that the cream formula can smudge if not set properly. But here's the thing, if you apply a little powder shadow over it, you can lock it in place beautifully. It's a simple fix that makes this product even better. This is perfect for you if you're always on the go and need makeup that's quick and easy. Skip this if you're more into traditional powders or want a full palette experience. At only $9, it's a fantastic addition to any makeup kit. So to quickly recap, we covered 5 amazing Colourpop palettes: the Nude Mood for soft glam, the Stone Cold Fox for cool tones, Blow in Smoke for smoky eyes, Feelin' Bubbly for party vibes, and the Shadow Sticks for quick application. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Stone Cold Fox palette because it offers versatility and incredible pigmentation for any look you want. I'd suggest avoiding the Shadow Sticks if you're looking for a full palette experience, as it serves a different purpose. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.